Logic in binary. I am at LB Dexter. You've got at T God over there, and he's got that look in his face. Are those nylons? I swear he's gonna break something one of these days. Ladies and gentlemen, LED flashlight gloves. T-Got uses them to pee at night. Now that was a fucking good one. So I'm just gonna dive right into this because I have no words. LED flashlight gloves available on Amazon for you $16.99. He said a man's gotta pee. They're available on Amazon. They're Christmas stocking stuffers, believe it or not. Okay, if you get one of these for Christmas, or if you got one of these for Christmas, depending on when you're watching this or when it's released, please hit me up. Please hit me up in the comments. Please. If you actually see these and think, if you're watching these right now on my channel right now, and you're looking at these and you're like, oh my God, that's amazing, I need these, click on the link below, go ahead and purchase them, and then let us know, what were you thinking? No, I'm just kidding. Let us know what you use them for, and I don't know, just give me some kind of fee. Help me out here, please. Anyways, LED flashlight gloves, one pair, because that's all you really need. Handy dandy SeeNew. Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it? Autofocus. Autofocus. It's not. It's not autofocusing. And my producer left me. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's go. Also available on Amazon. You would think they're paying me, but they're not. LED flashlight gloves. Here we go. I swear to you, it feels like I'm opening up like latex stockings or something. You know what I mean?
Let me know when you want to go.
All right. So as always, having trouble, not satisfied, contact us via below. info@buyerisgod.com. I love that. I love that.
Wow.
There it is, buyerisgod.com. I am not kidding. info@buyerisgod.com. That is hilarious. Awesome. Mad props to the owner of the company. Enter our website. The guarantee. This is a guarantee. 90-day, 100%. 5-year worry-free warranty, 24-hour professional service. So if you can't find it at night, maybe you can call them and they'll help you. The user manual. Okay, before I really look in this, that's what I'm afraid of, dude. I want to see a diagram of you in the middle of the night in here. Just, can you please verify that I'm not going to see a diagram of you in there? Get it. All right, so apparently you need a user guide. You know, I'm not gonna read these. I'm just gonna go for it, okay? And then you get a sack. Comes with your gloves. And it's not even, look, it's not even straight. It's not even sewed. Oh, it is. Okay, my bad. Okay, I'm sorry. My apologies. My apologies to the PARIGO. Sorry, my apologies. It's a very nice sack. You have a nice sack. Oh, I guess T got it. I think you left one of your thongs in here, dude. Oh, it's supposed to go over your thumb. How do you know which hand it goes on? It's not labeled. It's supposed to be labeled? Let me see if they're different. Okay, that looks like it's the left hand. Random Amazon day. Yeah, I wanna. Rad. It's pretty rad, bro. All right, let's see this. So I don't know. I think, yeah, right. Look, see, those look like hands, right? You know, if it wasn't sealed, I'd be afraid. All right. Right. Hey, look. Okay, do you see how these are pointed in a different direction? These right here. So they are way off. I mean, but maybe it's for a purpose. We'll find out. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do that again, Tika. I'm gonna need you to like seriously like. You gotta like give me some mad sound effects. Ready? You guys ready? Honestly, it's like so anticlimactic because it's like I have to be quiet. I know he's gonna like make it like really extra when he edits it, but like right now, so there's nothing. It's like, there's nothing. Oh, they point pretty straight though. Hey Google, turn the studio lights back on. Haha. Well, they work. I don't. Okay, so what is the purpose? I need to ask. What is the purpose of having finger lights? Plumbing. Okay, I can see that. Fishing.
Night fishing.
Okay. For bike riding, for drive. Why would you need finger lights for driving? But what is this? He's putting up a tent in the middle of the woods. Actually, he's putting up a tent in daylight. With finger lights on. This guy's riding his bike, okay, with finger lights on. I don't understand. The bike's supposed to have a light. I don't really think these are going to be bright enough to do anything for you if you're riding a bike. I don't think these are going to be bright enough to help you in any which way, shape, or form. So please, please, please. Put a flashlight, put some kind of light, a bike light on your bike. These, no. But I mean, it can't hurt. It can't hurt to have, but no, it's completely unnecessary. Next picture. I really don't understand that. I really don't get why you would need finger lights to drive. Anybody knows why we would need finger lights to drive? Let me know. Next, to walk your dog, okay? To jog. It's just in case you ever need to knit in the dark. Hey Google, turn off the studio lights. Damn it, Google. Oh, thank you, Google. That was perfect. I mean, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, I mean, if you're reading a book, yeah. I mean, it's there. So you know, because the lights are off, you're not gonna get a great shot at this. I can actually see the paper really good. But as you can see, the entire piece of paper is illuminated. Yeah, so it does work. You know, if you're reading a book, look, see, you can clearly see, and it's comfy. You know, this is how you would hold a book, or like this, even if it's one-handed. So that's not bad at all. That's actually pretty good. All right, next. Oh wait, Google, turn the studio lights back on. Hey Google, turn on the studio lights. Yeah. Google. I can imagine this guy's reaction when he just bought his wife like a diamond necklace, right? Or something, right? And then the girl, he's gonna love these, right? There you go, ladies. If you want to please your man on Valentine's Day, lingerie, none of that shit. No, he doesn't want to see you in lingerie. He wants these. Okay, this is what he wants. Look at Grandpa. He's like, he's gonna be mad. He's gonna be upset. I'm not saying that they're not useful, but see, that one you can't get mad because the little girl, you know, it's like the daughter, you know, whatever. But that's expected. Like, oh, look, Dad, I got you this and that. That's cute. You know, my daughter got me this, I'd laugh. But yeah, here you go. They're stocking stuffers available on Amazon. Logic and Binary here at LB Dexter. You got T-God. This has been random Amazon item day. Raid. This has been Raid, presented by Logic and Binary at LB Dexter at T-God. Here's looking at you, kid.
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof.